Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Mufaro J, and we got a Chief Keef GLO KANKAN type beat. I cooked this up the other day, and I was definitely feeling it. Like, it had me jumping around, it had me freestyling, talking about drugs, perks, guns, all types of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And my family's from Africa, so I don't really be on all that. You know what I'm saying? I don't be on that, but this beat made me want to run the block, spin the block, go crazy, flip a few, you know what I'm saying? So it'd be like that. If the beat makes you feel like that, you made the beat just how you needed to make it. So let's get into this really quick. First, I just want to talk about this melody. Definitely very anthemic, and how you get that is by using fifth chords and seventh chords. Just two notes, right? And if you have trouble figuring out how to do a fifth chord, I'll explain it like this. What is this? A minor. What is this? A major. So yeah, that's a fifth chord. So basically, I got that pattern laid out with those chords, and then I kind of just chopped it up. If you're not very good at placing the notes where they need to be, or you don't have like an actual MIDI keyboard to record and place the notes where you need to, what you can do is you can just hit one note over and over again, or you can just take your time. You can actually find it on the keyboard itself, because I'm pretty sure every key is labeled for a whole, I think it's 2 octaves, maybe 3 octaves. Yeah, it's basically got every single note. It's a little confusing on how to find your notes, but you can figure it out. But you can either record like that, or you can just hit one note over and over and over again, so you get the pattern mapped out, and then you can kind of just match everything where it needs to go. That's what I used to do when I first started producing. I would literally just... like, literally, that's what I'd do. And I'd either move them myself, or I'd hit quantize, and it'd move them for me. And then I'd just drag everything where it needs to go to make the actual chords and the melody. Just a little sauce tip for y'all. Yeah. Little fire, little lead. I got this from the Purity preset. It's called Autumn. Super fire, super dope. The brass one, I actually made this myself. Yeah. I don't know. Just made it on Purity. Use Valhalla Supermassive. Completely free. I used brass blat under the Summrs major mode. And I used a low EQ. The other trumpet that I used in here, the brass sound, is actually from this free kit from Shadow. So a huge shout out to Shadow. Check him out. He does really, really, really good tutorials. Like, really good. I've learned a lot of stuff from watching his videos, so definitely check him out. This is the Demo Blitz sound kit. I use this one right here. Tweaked it, did my own little effects, blah, blah, blah. You get the gist. Last thing for this sound was this little ARP. Got this in Purity as well. I put a halftime little gross speed on it, half speed, and EQ'd. So that's how we got that. Next, let's talk about all of our drums. I'd say these drums hit for sure. I'm not going to play the 808, just so you guys can... I'll talk about the 808 separately. So here's all of this together. going to talk about the drums separately as well. So the clap, it's got an offbeat clap, and that's what makes it hit so hard, because it's going on. This is where you anticipate it, right? You're going to anticipate it here, but it comes in here. And I did this for two reasons. One, I have a separate one right here where it actually hits where you think it's going to hit. And for two, I can take this out at any moment I want, and that offbeat will still kind of ride smooth. A lot of these kind of beats, they do that. And it trips you up at first and has you like, what? But like, that's what makes it so hard. And that's why like these rappers can flow on it so effortlessly, because like there's so much space for them to rap on. That's what makes these beats so crazy. That's why I really like the sound. The hi-hat, I just use a normal two-step. Did a little pan. Nothing too crazy. Did some velocity. Like I said, nothing too crazy. Very simple. One little roll right here, so nothing extreme. I got two snares. This one hits here. I like the way that one sounds. That's why I use that. And this one right here. Typical stuff that I'm sure you guys probably have in drum kits. If you don't, I might drop the GOAT pack right here, the Mufaro J drum kit. It's got a lot of those sounds that I used in there. So yeah. Next, we got this little bell. So, a bell's very popular in Chief Keef beats. The bell's very popular just right now. I'd say that's largely because of Yeet. Yeet made the bell popular again, but these beats have always used the bell, so it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing new. The ding, very popular as well. They've always been in that. A little open hat. You know, they've always been here as well. Now, to talk about the 808. So, the reason I'm talking about this 808 separately is because it literally just follows these root notes. Like, that's it. The root notes of the melody. That's it. Well, anyway, I hope you guys learned some stuff from this video. I hope it was entertaining. I hope it was informative. Yeah, so shout out to y'all for checking out this video. Give a like, give a subscribe, leave a comment, do what you gotta do. Peace out, y'all.